what's up? Welcome to our channel.
Today we are in Dadar and we have decided to explore some popular places to have food near Dadar Station. So let's go.
So to the west of Dadar, very near to the railway station, there is an area named Chabaldas Road, and there are a lot of food stalls over here. One of them is Sri Krishna Batata Vada. It is one of the most popular food stops in Dadar and it's 75 years old. This place serves popular Indian snacks like samosas, rolls, dahi kachoris, Chinese pakoras, sabudana vadas and patti samosas. But the most important thing that this place sells is the batata vada. We ordered one batata vada and one veg roll. The veg roll had some save sprinkled over it and it was served with a green chutney which is spicy, and the red chutney was the sweeter one. The roll was basically potatoes and other vegetables stuffed inside a bread, and then it was rolled out and deep fried. It was really yummy. On the other hand, the batata vada was served with 2 mirchis. Taste wise, it was really good and it had a slightly thick covering. We asked them for some chutneys with the batata vada, but they denied, saying that the vada isn't served with any chutney, which was quite a turn off. This place is always busy with a lot of hungry customers, and it includes some more stalls that serve other foods like dosas and frankies. Next up, we saw a small stall that was serving some piping hot South Indian snacks like dosas and medu vadas. And this one was right in front of Sri Krishna Batata Vada. This small stall was serving quite a lot of varieties of dosas like cheese chili dosa, ginny dosa, pizza dosa, etc. We ordered a pizza dosa which was for 100 rupees. Now you can enjoy the visual treat of pizza dosa in the making. Looking at this dish, it was hard to believe that it was a dosa, because the edges of the dosas were so nicely roasted that this one almost looked like a thin crust pizza. You cannot hold these slices just like a pizza, but never mind, this one was so delicious and so yummy. The mixture of all the vegetables and chutneys and mayonnaise and sauces had come out really well. It was worth all the money and you guys should definitely try it. Next up we went to Dadar East to a very popular place named Kailash Mandir Lassi and Mithai. This place serves some amazing varieties of lassis which are thick, fresh, flavorful and topped with a lot of dry fruits. We ordered a mango dry fruit lassi. They started off with putting some canned mango pulp in the glass and then poured some fresh lassi over it, topped with some fresh cream, and then garnished the lassi with some dry fruits. The mango lassi was really creamy, thick and flavorful. And this is another must-try dish when you come to Dadar, especially in the summers. We returned to Dadar West again, and another popular place very closer to Dadar Station is the Kabutar Khana. और यहाँ पे सिर्फ कबूतरी खाना नहीं खा सकते, आप लोग भी खा सकते हो. There are many food stalls at this place. But only one word of warning, this place is polluted and infested with a lot of pigeon feathers and it's really nasty sometimes. So do take care of that and check the hygiene of the place wherever you are eating. So we explored a very limited portion of the street food in Dadar, and there are so many other places to be explored. We will definitely return to Dadar to try some more amazing dishes.
Okay guys, that's it for the day. दादर में एक्चुअली और बहुत कुछ जगह है खाने की,
लेकिन आज के लिए इतना काफ़ी है. वी आर डन फॉर टुडे. सो इफ़ यू आर लविंग आवर फूड ब्लॉग, प्लीज सब्सक्राइब टू आवर चैनल एंड हिट द बेल नोटिफिकेशन एंड कमेंट बिलो एंड शेयर आवर वीडियोस. गुड बाय.